Hello, and thank you for joining this tutorial. Today, we will learn how to turn on or off the low time sound warning in live chess games on the Chess.com app. This feature alerts you when your time is running low, helping you manage your moves better during live matches. Follow these easy steps to customize this setting. First, open the Chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now, choose Live Games to access Live Play Settings. Locate the Low Time Sound Warning option and toggle it on or off, depending on your preference. By following these simple steps, you can control the sound alerts for low time during live chess matches on chess.com. Adjusting this setting can help you stay focused without distractions or ensure you get notified before your time runs out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your chess.com experience more enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.